Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Sunday, the 28th of August, 2022. This video is just my weekly analysis where I go over all the trades I'm trading using the high probability and divergence methods from my books on the daily time frame on the Forex charts. So we'll have a look at that in a second. First up, thanks for watching the video. It's greatly appreciated. Normally what we do is we just go over all the trades that I've called during the week. As you know, I call these trades live at the time on the daily time frame. Every day, if there's a trade on or there's any trade management, I call it in the Facebook group, Telegram channels, or the Discord channel, which is everyone's more than welcome to join. If you do like the video, I know they're not the most exciting videos on the planet, we all know that, but if you do like the video, then hit the subscribe or the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. This Word document here, you're going to see a lot of stuff on the charts. This just explains the settings, etc. So it's just you can take a screenshot or pause the video, read this. It explains what all the different colors are, but I generally go through it on the charts in a way so you can see what it is. The main indicators, the bottom indicators, the MACD Platinum, which is simply a zero lag MACD. If you don't know what a zero lag is, just Google zero lag moving average or something like that, and you'll find plenty of descriptions. It oscillates around the zero level. Generally, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. But you'll see this on the charts when we look at the charts. So there's no big deal. If anyone wants any more technical stuff on either of those indicators, I've got a couple of links. Like the green and red dots are basically on the chart. It's QMP filter. All Q stands for is QQE. MP stands for MACD Platinum. So that's what that means. It's just a combination of those two indicators. If you want a bit more information on either of them, I can happily send you a link. Just send me an email and I'll give you the link. So generally we look at the news first. What's in the news? This is Forex Factory free economic calendar. The good thing about it is you can filter it. You can set up filters and you can put it in your own time zone. So this is in my local time. I'm in Cambodia, so Indochina time, same as Bangkok, same as Ho Chi Minh City, same as Phnom Penh, all the same time zones. So I'm only really interested in the red. The red ones are the high impact news events. So we've got nothing on Monday. It's all quiet everywhere. It looks like the UK's even having a holiday for some reason. Tuesday out of Europe, we've got German prelim CPI numbers, US CB consumer confidence index, consumer confidence. JOLTS job openings out of the US on Tuesday. Wednesday, US ADP non-farm employment change. Doesn't really move the markets too much. Thursday out of Switzerland, CPI numbers, and out of the US ISM manufacturing. But what they'll be all waiting for is Friday. It's the first Friday in the month. Normally the US and Canada have their employment numbers, but Canada's obviously going to wait another week. It's just the US, so it's a non-farm payrolls. It can be a market mover. Now, my only concern is during the weekend, we've had the Jackson Hole Symposium out of Wyoming in the US. It may create a gap on the Monday open, so just be careful of that. It's because it goes over the weekend and a lot of things. It's like a think tank, I think it is. If you want any information on any of these news events, you just click on the right here, like say CPI out of Switzerland. All you do is click on that, and it brings up that little box and tells you all about it. So if you're interested, like you know me, I'm not real big on the fundamentals. So anyway, let's go to the charts. Let's have a look. Where are we? Here we are. All right, I'm using TradingView for my trade analysis, all right? The good thing about TradingView is, other than it's a lot easier to work with for me doing notes and stuff on the charts, for you guys, it presents better than MT4, MT5. I still do all my trading on MT4, MT5, but I do all my analysis on TradingView. And TradingView on Friday will give me a heads up. See this green dot, for example, on the MACD Platinum here? MT4, MT5 won't show that, but TradingView will. MT4, MT5 will show that if it's there on Monday open, but TradingView does it. So it's just one of the quirks with TradingView, which is good. So generally, we have my charts. We've got my watch list on the right here. If there's it's highlighted in dark blue like this one, means it's trade on and no action's been taken. So there's been no trade management. If it's light blue, it means there's been some action taken on the trade. No highlight means no trade on, and if it's in orange, means something I'm going to talk about in the video. All right, for Monday, there is no new trade signals, all right? So there is no new trade signals, so we'll just run through each pair quickly. So AusCAD, you'll see my notes. Generally, the notes on the right side are the most recent trade. So we had a sell here. You might see some notes relating to a previous trade. So here we had on the 3rd of August, we had a sell, and we closed it out on an opposite QMP dot, so for a loss, all right? So now we've had a second go at it. You've got the trend lines here, marking divergence. I just tend to draw these other lines in just to give me an idea where we're at with the market. So we had a sell, went nicely in our favour. And the thing is, the MACD's come down into zero level, got this green dot here, but Friday gave us this big bearish candle here. So I'll give it a couple of days, see how we go here, because the MACD plat's just about through the zero level, but it looks like it wants to turn up. So it's going nowhere. So we're in profit, small profit. Stop loss is this red dotted line. So it's just an ugly trade. It's just not nice at all. But we're in profit. Oz Japanese yen. We're in a couple of trades here. Now I don't think we've got stopped here. What's the stop level at? The stop's at 95.871. Remember that? 95.871. And the high there was 97.6. Come very close to getting stopped out on the sell. So we've got a couple of trades here. We've got an old sell here from here, and we've got a buy in here. You can see my notes here. 26th of August, stop was moved up on the buy. So I moved the stop up on the 26th of August, which was, where are we? Oh, Friday, moved the stop up. So yeah, so tightened up. Can't lose on the sell, and the buy is being reduced. It's like I said, the Aussie pairs are tough to trade at the moment. And we've got this line here, this high, it's going across, it's still going across here. It's proving to be resistance. You can see that. Hang on a sec, see if I can bring it in a bit. There we go. You can see this level here. Bang, bang, and here we go again. All right. Oz USD in a sell. We're just having trouble breaking this low here. We'll see how we go. It bounced off this previous low, and this green dash line's a 70 cent level. It's proven a sticking point again. It's a big number in the Aussie. So Friday, it was actually, the trade went with us, then bounced. Then Friday we had this big down day, but we've got this grey line here on the vertical line. It's a warning. That's just a warning line for me, because we've got a green dot on the MACD platinum below the zero level. So yeah, it's a bit tricky, this one, because what happened, I missed this green dot here, this green QMP filter dot. Normally I would have closed the trade, the sell trade there, but I didn't, because I missed the dot because it's tucked under that green line. I didn't notice it when I did the charts, and I didn't call it. So I stayed in the trade, and it came very close to the stop, but it didn't touch the stop before falling over. Then we get this new red dot, so it's a new sell signal, and that's what these notes are here. So this is the trade I'm in. I'm actually in this trade, went close to the stop, I missed the QMP filter dot where I would have exited, and then there's a new signal here, which is not a bad signal, but I had to break this low here. So that's what this notes are here. Here's the original sell. These notes are referring to this trade here. In case you did exit or you were stopped out, there's a re-entry. It's going okay. It's bounced off this 70 cents, proved a sticking point. Break this low here, we'll be all good. EuroCAD in a trade, taking some action on it in two trades actually. So we've got two trades. We've got a sell from the 29th of June back here. And we break this low here, which is still in. There's a stop for that trade there, so we can't lose on that. It's good. And I took another sell here on the 23rd of August. Again, read my notes. You just pause the video and have a read if you want, or just so you can read it. I know some of you can't understand the Australian accent, or English is not your first language. I get that. I talk too fast, talk too slow. Yeah, look, there's many issues. But have a read of that. Just pause the video and have a read. But there's 2 trades, 2 sells. The second one's not looking too good. First one we can't lose, so it's all good there. Euro yen in a trade here, in a buy. It's been a tough pair to trade like this one. I normally like euro yen. You can see I've had a couple of losses there, and these are the lines that are marked. In another buy here, and not going anywhere fast. Went against me. We've got a MACD platinum through the 0 level. Got a red dot on the MACD platinum, but we're just above the 0 level. And Friday sort of popped up towards my entry. It stops down here, so we'll just get a few days to see how we go here. Euro USD. That's Mr. 4 trades. I think I'm in now. From February the 14th. There we go. February the 14th. Valentine's Day. Another one here, sell, sell, sell. Now those 3 trades, that's their stop there, so can't lose on any of them. The most recent trade is this sell here, already closed half on the 24th of August, so I'd say that's in here somewhere, yeah, in there. So we're at this previous low, and this low here, have a look at the number, it is parity, 10000, parity, so it's a big number, And look, where price is now, it's right at it. So we've already closed half, and we've moved this tighten the stop up in this last sell to right down. So we can't lose on any of these trades, So thank you, Euro USD, all good there. Now, there's pound pairs, a lot of pound pairs going on. I've just got quick, there's no trades, but have a look at these ugly charts. They're tough to trade. The last thing was a buy here, which I declined to take because price is right at the moving averages. We're in a downtrend and it's gone again, which is a good call. Pound Swiss, very similar. Last signal was a buy, and here, too tight, too ugly. Pound yen, look at this sideways. This is over a month of just absolutely rubbish. And this is a trending pair that everyone loves to trade. Pound New Zealand, same deal. The last signal was a buy, which may have worked, but it's just not worth the risk. So we'll get to the pound USD. We're actually in a trade here, which is good. We're in a sell from the 3rd of August. So here's an entry here. The stop's been tightened up. 23rd of August, closed half. So I'm thinking in here somewhere. Got to the previous low. You can see the low here. MACD platinum through the 0 level, close half, drag the stop down, lock in some profit. So that's all good. So we're all good on the pound USD. New Zealand CAD, we're going to sell from the 17th of August, and it's going nicely. 25th of August, let's have a look, 25th, that would have been like in here. Yeah, on the open of this candle, called close half and move the stop down. The reason why, with MACD platinum through the 0 level, you can see it there, we're through the 0 level. We're just locking in a bit of profit, bringing the stop down so we can't lose on this trade. Ideally, we want to break this, where's the trend line? Let's give me a trend line here, basic. So we want to sort of break this, we're looking at this low here, that's the sort of where we're aiming for, so see if we can get through that. USD CAD, what are we in? We're in a buy, and it wasn't stopped out. No. Hang on, what have we got? So we're in a buy here. 23rd of August, closed half. So I call all these. Remember, I call all these on my in my Facebook group. So there's no fudging these. So when we got to this high here on the open of this candle, which looked good, I closed half because with this previous high here, the MACD platinum through the 0 level. And I'll drag the stop right up. Price has dropped down close to the stop. I don't think you've got the stop. Let's have a look. Stops at 128,936. Let's see what the low is there. Low 128,952. No, nothing close. So yeah, and it's bounced straight up on Friday back towards the high. So that was a good call on closing half there and locking in some profit. And now it's bounced back right up, and we didn't touch a stop. All good. So it's all USD, Japanese yen. It's highlighted in orange. That means I want to talk to you about it. Yes. And what happened was my sell signal from the 22nd of June was stopped out during the week. So that's why it's highlighted. I just leave it on the charts to show you guys in the video that it's been stopped out. So the sell, but as you can see by my notes, 29th of July, closed half. So let's go to 29th of July, which would be in here. So on the open of this candle, closed half, dragged my stop down. Prices, it was a high risk trade against the trend. As soon as price gets to the MAs, MACDs through the zero level, closing half, locking in profit. And 23rd of August, stopped out for a small overall profit. So that I'll tidy up the chart when I'm finished the video. I'll just leave it on there to show you. In the meantime, we're still in this buy here, and I've already taken some action on that. 24th of August, closed half. So that's in, I'd say it's going to be in here somewhere. Oh, yeah, in here, 24th of August. Got to this previous high here, MACD platinum through the zero level, then stock moved up, and 26th of August, stock moved up even higher because we've got a red dot on the MACD platinum above the zero level. I'm back in sell mode, so I've tightened up the buy, can't lose on the buy either. So all good there. What else we got? Gold. What have we got here? We got nothing. Right, gold. We're going to sell from the Tuesday, the 16th of August. This level here is the 1800 level. It's a big number on gold. It's a big support resistance level. Seems to be a sticking point. We're going okay here. It went down nicely, and it's popped back up during the week. Then Friday's dropped back down again. So I'll just Monday. What I'll do, the MACD platinum's just about through the zero level by looks. It is just now. Monday I'll probably move the stop down, but I'll call that on Monday, on probably Tuesday's update. So we're looking at bringing the stop down, and I'll probably bring it just inside the entry. I may close half. I'll have a think about it. Close half and bring the stop inside that, just inside the entry level above this little fractal here, this little high. So that's gold. But we're looking good on gold. These other three, just the US dollar, I just keep them on the charts to show you, guys, what's going on. Look at this. It's trying to break this high, previous high here. It popped up, didn't do it. During the week, it sort of fell away from there. We've got MACD platinum red dot of the zero level. But now Friday, she's popped back up again. If it breaks this high, it'll be probably more to the upside. US 500, just the US stock exchange. Now, I've been banging on about this line for forever. It went through last week. We said it was going up, and we'll see if it has some support there, which it did during the week. Popped up a bit. Now it's broken back through it again. So not sure where the US stock market's heading, but Friday looked pretty ugly there. That's a big drop. That's a big candle. It's fairly substantial. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's going probably the same way. Oh, not too bad. Bitcoin. 20,000 level there, right there. At it again, banging on there. Look at this. Look at this level. You don't think there's any correlation between the Bitcoin and the stock market? Yeah, I don't know. So that's it for the charts, girls, boys. Like I said, not the most exciting videos, but we just go over everything we're trading and have a look at generally what we're trading and how we're going, the trades are going. In the last few weeks, we've actually done pretty well. We're doing pretty well. We went through a bit of a rough patch earlier in the year, but seemed to come out of it smelling like roses as usual, and all good. Like I said, I call all these in the Facebook group, Telegram channels, or Discord channel. Everyone's more than welcome to join them. If you do like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I know they're boring as batshit. I understand that, but it just goes over everything. I'm trying to make it as transparent just to show all my readers that the system does work. Just got to stick with it. And we're on the daily time frame, so I know that is boring also. But you can drop this down any time frame, you know, like you can, where? Let's find a random chart somewhere. Like Jim, we'll go to the pound yen, all right, for example. Got nothing going on here at the moment, this watch list. But, 4 hours, even the 4 hours, you go down to the 2 hour chart, that's boring. I picked the wrong pair here. It's the most boring pair at the moment, the pound yen. Look at this, that's a 1 hour chart, that's correct. But the system is exactly the same. It works on any time frame. Yeah, I'm in a trade here, but don't worry about that one. Let's have a look at the 4 hours, this is Euro Yen. So, yeah, it's a crappy. It's all out of whack. All right, you get the picture. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. enjoy your weekend, the rest of the weekend, whatever's left of it, and I will speak to you guys another day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Thank you. Cheers.